Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to uninstall or remove a specific Python package. So let's get started. So first thing, let's just view all the Python packages that have been installed. So to do that, just open your command prompt and type the command pip space list. So this will give us all the Python packages that have been installed on your system. So for this example, let's suppose that I want to remove this particular Google generative AI package. So I'll just copy this. The command is going to be pip space uninstall space the package name. Just hit enter. Wait for this. That's it. You will be getting a success message. Now just close and reopen your command prompt, and this time if you type pip list, and if I go to the same one, I won't be having that Google generative AI package over here. So this is how you do it, guys. I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.